morning everyone and afternoon. We are the team of the sunscreen Lacapoe, which is 100% friendly, eco-friendly. We are informed by Alan Diaz, Samantha Mijares, Justin Valdez, Michelle Vargas, and I, Carlos Rincon.
If we replace the titanium dioxide, which is a main ingredient for the commercial sunscreens, with the zinc oxide, we can reduce contamination in the sea and we can protect the flora and fauna. Second, if we utilize different oils, the consistency and odor will vary. For example, in our product, we use coconut oil and it smells like coconut.
We created this project to make people aware of the harm that sunscreens are making to the sea life. So we make or create the sunscreen that has natural ingredients to help improve the sea life of our ecosystems and seas.
Nowadays, pollution caused by chemicals are found in sunblocks, affect marine life, which is the flora and fauna. For example, the coral reefs can stop growing because of the chemicals. Algae can be affected too, and some species that live in the coral reefs are left without home and can be eaten by its predators. And also, phytoplankton, which is a main food by some species, can be damaged too. That's why we need to find a way to protect our delicate skin without harming it, but also without harming the sea.
As we know, many of the sunscreens that store cells, they contain ingredients that can cause cancer. Some of them are paraben, cinnamate, and sulfonan, and a derivative of camphor. These can cause irritation in people's skins. As a team, we have three main objectives. The first one is to get rid of the pollution that is in the sea caused by chemical sunscreen, and with that protect marine flora and fauna. And the third one is to take care of skin without any harmful side effects over time, like cancer or irritation.
For this experiment, we're going to use the scientific method, which consists of observation, investigation, hypothesis, experimentation, conclusion, and communication. The ingredients we're going to use are chili butter, coconut oil, zinc oxide, and mixed water. First of all, over water, we're going to melt all of the ingredients together, and once they're completely mixed, we're going to add the zinc oxide, and once that's thick, we're going to remove it from the fire, and then we're going to let it rest for 24 hours at least. The results for our first experiment were different because we didn't have one of the ingredients, which was beeswax, and the consistency of the product was not the ideal one. So the second time we did it with all of the ingredients and the consistency was better, but we still wanted a different one. So we did it a third time, and that time we got the one we wanted. And this is kind of the results we got the first time, and our bottle in which we added.
When we started to do this project, we were thinking about something that people might use in summer, so we came with the idea of doing a sunscreen. And we named our project Lagapue because it's sunscreen in Hawaii. And the ingredients are easy to get. The only ingredient that you might have problems to get is the oxide of zinc. And also these ingredients are 100% eco-friendly. And we made this spray so that people be aware of the danger can be a sunscreen.